Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back to the 2004 Ford Sport Trac. And today we're going to be installing this Magnaflow muffler along with this dual tip exhaust. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the old exhaust off and install this new one. Alright guys, hope you enjoy. Alright, here we are by the rear passenger door. I already have a side exhaust along with this tip that you can see it's past its expiration date. It's all rusted up. Then we have this stock muffler under here. Has a lot of rust on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to replace that muffler with the Magnaflow. We're going to come over here, do a 90-degree bend, and we're going to come out with the new dual tip exhaust. We're going to get a couple startup notes, and then we'll do a couple drive-bys so we can go ahead and do a comparison before and after the new exhaust. Here we go. We got the new exhaust welded on. Looking good. Come underneath. There's the Magnaflow. Got it all nice and tucked in there. Looking good. All right, let's hear it. Right, you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There will be a link down in the description for the muffler and the exhaust tip. All right, guys, Monday to 6 out.